Yo, yo, yo! What's up, y'all? We're back here at the shop, Brzezicki Brothers Performance, and as you can see, we got the White Fox here at the shop, and we're putting a new transmission in it, and we're gonna show you what's up. So let's take a look. So as you can see, we got the White Fox here. After all the work we did, we got some more work. So we got the transmission out, some of the parts out, transmission cross member, the drive shaft, exhaust. We got the starter, the little plate for the bottom, tube for the transmission. No, he wanted to put a new transmission in it. I guess this was slipping a little bit. It's a little dirty. I guess this is an AOD, factory AOD transmission, factory torque converter. And we just finished pulling it out to get ready for the install of the new transmission that we're going to take a look at here in a sec. So this is the underneath. I think the oil pan gasket is leaking, or the rear main. I should have addressed it. I didn't know it was when I had the K member out. So we might take the flex plate off to see. But you can see we got the transmission cooler lines disconnected. And this is what the underneath is looking like. It's a little dirty, but it's pretty clean. As you can see, this is all factory. You can see we got the drive shaft off. Go over some of the stuff we did, like the rear springs. Good shot of the rear end cover. We did the fuel filter. And it's looking pretty up here with the BMR K member and A-arms, the springs. Good shot of the motor mounts. You can get a good shot of the motor mounts now. The SVE polyurethane motor mounts. And then you can see right here the spacer BMR gives you, because it kicks the steering rack down a little, I guess. But I think we could have hit out the steering column a little bit and probably didn't have to use that spacer, but we used it. We have a little cleanup after we're done here. But like I said, we got the transmission out. It's all disconnected. The top bolts are a pain to get to, but we got them. And as you can see, it's a little bit leaky. So, what do we have in store? Bam! We got a brand new AOD transmission that we're going to install. Now, it comes with a torque converter. I guess it's a factory torque converter. But we got a better one we're going to put in. I think it's a 2200 stall. Nothing crazy. Just wanted a little bit of an upgrade. So, let's take a look. So, we got the new trans mount. Poly mount, and then this is Boss Hoss torque converter. So this is the torque converter that we're going to throw in. Boss Hoss torque converter. That's the torque converter that we're gonna throw in the new AOD. And then this is the transmission fluid we're gonna be running. Now, we got 12 quarts. I guess this takes 12 quarts dry. We're gonna try and get in all 12 quarts. We're gonna swap over what we need to swap over. Any brackets, the shift linkage, the sensors. So we got the sensor right there, which I'm not sure what that is. I think that's the reverse light sensor. Then we got the shift linkage and brackets. We're gonna swap that all over to the new one, the new AOD. And then after that, or before that, we got some bolt-in subframe connectors that we have powder coated white that we're gonna try and make work. So the convertible has this extra bracing. You can see the extra bracing. I don't know if it really does anything. It's riveted on. I'm not sure if we're gonna have to take it off or cut it off. Cut a little bit out. But we're gonna see. We'll have to drop it down on jack stands, get the suspension loaded, and get everything marked up. But for now, we got the transmission out. The H pipe. I think it's just a little no-name, cheapo H pipe. Does the job for now. Factory starter. We're gonna put this all back on, clean it up a little bit, and box this one up, get the other one in. And that's where we're at with the White Fox. We've come a long way, got a lot of upgrades that we did to it, and we'll show you it in the next video. So with that being said, keep hitting them like, share, and subscribe buttons, keep tuning in. And you know what to do till the next one. We'll catch ya. Peace.